Have you ever imagined what Mars might look like 100 years from now? Today, we're taking a journey into the future to explore how this mysterious red planet could change if humanity makes it our second home. What would life on Mars be like? Could we truly transform the planet? And what challenges might we face along the way? Let's dive into the possibilities and paint a picture of Mars 100 years into the future. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and one of the most intriguing destinations in our solar system. It's known as the Red Planet because its surface is covered in iron oxide or rust, giving it that distinct reddish hue. Mars is much smaller than Earth, about half its size, and has a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. This atmosphere isn't thick enough to support liquid water, and the temperatures are freezing, often dropping to -100 degrees Celsius at night. However, scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars may have had flowing rivers, lakes, and even oceans. Evidence of ancient water makes Mars one of the most promising places to search for signs of past life. In the near future, humans are preparing to take their first steps on Mars. Organizations like NASA and SpaceX are already working on missions that could land astronauts on the Martian surface by the 2030s. These early explorers will face extreme challenges, from finding water to building safe shelters. The first human habitats on Mars might look like inflatable pods or underground bases to shield astronauts from dangerous radiation. They'll rely on cutting-edge technology to extract water from ice beneath the surface and produce oxygen from the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Solar panels will provide power, and every resource will need to be recycled to ensure survival. But this is just the beginning. If humanity establishes a foothold on Mars, what could the planet look like in 100 years? Imagine futuristic cities enclosed in giant glass domes. These domes would create a safe environment for humans, complete with breathable air, temperature control, and protection from cosmic radiation. Inside, there could be bustling communities with homes, schools, and research facilities. Advanced robotics and 3D printing would play a major role in building these cities, using materials mined directly from the Martian soil. Agriculture might take place in vertical farms powered by sunlight, producing fresh food for the residents. What was once a barren, lifeless desert could become a thriving human settlement. One of the most ambitious ideas for Mars is terraforming, making the planet more Earth-like, so humans can live there without needing domes or spacesuits. Terraforming means changing Mars's atmosphere and climate to make it warmer and more hospitable. Scientists have proposed fascinating ideas for how this could work. For example, we could place giant mirrors in orbit around Mars to reflect sunlight onto the planet, heating its surface. Another idea involves releasing the carbon dioxide trapped in Mars's ice caps and soil to create a greenhouse effect, thickening the atmosphere and raising the temperature. Over time, this could make Mars capable of supporting liquid water and maybe even plants. Can you picture the red planet turning green, with fields of vegetation stretching across its surface? Beyond becoming a home, Mars could also be an industrial hub. Robots could mine the planet's rich mineral resources, extracting materials like iron, silicon, and even rare metals. These resources could be used to build infrastructure on Mars or transported to other parts of the solar system to support space exploration. Mars might also serve as a launching point for missions to the asteroid belt, Jupiter's moons, or even beyond. Humanity's expansion into space could depend on the resources and technologies developed on Mars. And what about the people living on Mars? 100 years from now, we might see the first generation of humans born and raised on the planet. For these Martians, Earth might feel like a distant memory or even a legend. Life on Mars would shape a unique culture with new traditions, languages, and ways of thinking. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing Earth as just a tiny dot among the stars. How would that change your perspective on life? Of course, there are challenges. Mars has only about 38% of Earth's gravity, and scientists aren't sure how long-term exposure to this lower gravity would affect human health. Radiation is another major concern. Without a thick atmosphere or magnetic field like Earth's, Mars is constantly bombarded by harmful cosmic rays. Ensuring a steady supply of resources like food and water will also require incredible innovation. But humanity has always thrived on challenges, and if history is any indication, we'll find solutions to these problems. What do you think Mars will look like in 100 years? Will it be covered in domed cities, green with plants, or bustling with industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey to the future of Mars, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more exciting explorations. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking to the stars.